In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a DocuSign Certificate of Completion, the essential document that serves as proof of your completed electronic signature agreement. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps involved in retrieving this certificate. First, begin by opening your web browser and heading over to the DocuSign website. Once you're at the homepage, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to create one, but for today, I'm assuming you already have this set up. DocuSign is a powerful tool used by millions for handling documents requiring electronic signatures, so being comfortable navigating it is definitely worth the effort. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. Focus your attention on the top navigation bar and find the tab labeled Agreements. This is where all the documents you've worked on are housed. By clicking on this tab, you gain access to your entire library of document exchanges, making it the perfect starting point for tracking down the certificate you need. Now that you're in the agreement section, take a moment to locate the specific file for which you want to retrieve the certificate of completion. This might involve a quick scroll through your documents or using the search function to find the exact agreement. Once you've found it, click on the file. Selecting the right document is crucial because the certificate is generated based on this particular agreement. With the document open, turn your focus to the top area of your screen where you'll see several options. Here you'll want to click on the More button. This action will display additional options related to the document you chose. Don't worry if you haven't used these features often, interacting with them is straightforward. Following that step, you'll see another option labeled History. Click on it. This section provides you with a detailed timeline of all activities associated with your document, including signatures, edits, and most importantly, certificate availability. As you go through the history, look for the Download Certificate option. Once you've found it, click to download the Certificate of Completion. This document serves as your proof of the document's completion. They contain details such as the signatures, timestamps, and authentication information, all neatly compiled for your records. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded your DocuSign Certificate of Completion. Make sure to save it in a secure location and have it on hand for any scenario that requires proof of your document's completion. This entire process is quite intuitive, but having a step-by-step guide ensures you won't miss a beat. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you did, please consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials like this one.